How do you add a name to your favorites on iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So if you have a contact or like a name saved within the Contacts app and you want to add it to the favorites, just make sure you go there and locate that particular person. And upon scrolling down a little bit more toward the bottom, you should see the button to add it to your favorites. That is what you need to click on, but you need to also select the way of contacting them, which you want to save as your favorite way. So, if you have more phone numbers saved, or if you want to just call them or a message, you have to choose that particular channel of getting in touch with them, which you want to save to your favorites. So just pick however you want, right? Make sure you select it, and then it's just going to be added to the favorites list. This can be accessed by opening up the phone app, and at the bottom in the tab bar, there is a star icon. This represents this favorites list, so you'll be able to see the newly added contact or name there. So that's how you can quickly access it. Keep in mind that you can click on edit and perhaps delete it later, but also reorganize it. So perhaps some of the even more favorites can be put on the top, or reorganize it as much as you like. So that is how it works within the iOS on the iPhone. So if anything would change in the future with the software updates, I'll definitely make an updated video about it. So make sure you don't miss it by subscribing, and that way you're going to stay on top of the iPhone game. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.